Hello everyone, I Abhishek welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to block ads on websites in Chrome web browser. So for this we'll go to the Chrome browser, and on this site yahoo.com you can see how the ads are appearing at the top and in the right hand side. So how to block these ads? So for this we'll open the new tab first, then click on these three dots, then click on option settings, then click on extensions in the left hand side, then click on this hamburger menu icon, and then click on this option open Chrome web store. Now in the search bar type Adblock plus and hit enter. So it is showing the Adblock plus extension, and this extension blocks all sorts of ads on all sorts of websites. So what you have to do is just install this extension on the Chrome web browser. So for this just click on add to Chrome and click on add extension, and it will install the extension on the Chrome browser. So you can see that the installation is now successful. Now we'll open a new tab. Just type in the website yahoo.com, and you can see the ads are not appearing now. In the right hand side the ads are also not there, and you can see at the top the ad block icon, and it says that it has blocked 34 ads on this site. So this is how you block ads on websites in Chrome browser. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.